Hi guys, today I'll show you how to convert an old Anarkali top into maxi skirt. The Anarkali top which I am using here has same print all over the body. So I am just taking the desired length for the maxi skirt, which is 38 inches for me. Mark the desired length from the bottom plus 2 inches extra for saving purpose. Cut off the remaining part. For this maxi skirt, I am using an old cotton skirt as a lining material. You can use sari, petticoat or any fabric as a lining. Mark and cut the lining fabric 2 inches lesser than main fabric. Remove the stitches from any one side to form side opening and place the lining under the main fabric. Here I am not using any extra fabric for waistline, as this Anarkali top is quite long. I am just folding and sewing the edge to form a loop to draw an elastic. Insert an elastic using safety pin, then stitch and secure the side opening. To give the skirt more ethnic look, I am attaching decorative lace to the bottom. Now the skirt is ready. You can wear with matching crop top for complete ethnic look. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.